Hi, it's Lewis from NetWeather TV forums and UK storm chasers. I'm just going to do a quick video forecast tonight, looking at the potential of more convective weather for tomorrow and over the next couple of days. It's been a fairly active day once again for eastern, southeastern and central parts of England, where they've had a few heavy showers, and there was reports on the convective storm thread that someone had 10 thunderstorms near London today, so that's pretty good. Good start to the season considering we're only in April. I'm currently using the high resolution MMM model, and that's on NetWeather Extra, which you can get good prices per month on a subscription with them, and you can have wide access to absolutely fantastic data and information. As you're already aware, I've done a lot of forecasts by this video method using these charts, and they work very well. So as I said, on the left hand side we have got the lift index and cape charts, and on the right hand side we've got the precipitation rate charts, which will show the likely areas to see precipitation based on this model run, which is a 12-0, and how heavy it will be, indicated by the key on the right hand side of the chart. I've currently got it set at 9 PM, which was obviously 14 minutes ago, and as you can see on the cape and lift index chart, any energy now is disintegrating as we're heading into night time, so the energy will just fizzle out, and with that, as there's a precipitation. But obviously with the current setup of it being a low pressure system, it's going to be some instability out there anyhow, so showers are going to maybe die out for more central and southeastern parts, but as you can see here, northeastern parts of England and the far northeast of Scotland will start to get another organised band of precipitation moving in as we head around midnight and overnight into the early hours of tomorrow morning. If I keep flicking through, you can see the precipitation becomes more heavier across northeastern Scotland, and there's already a rash of showers out into the North Sea, but that's not really doing nothing. But the main focus, rise and shine tomorrow, is across North Wales, where, as you can see, there's more energy, and obviously precipitation is going to be about. It's going to kick off straight away early in the morning. There could be some very heavy showers for North Wales. There may be some more showers running through around the Cheshire Gap area and pushing into the West Midlands. A few, as we head southwards, there'll be a few into central parts of southern England. And if I continue to run through these models, you can see the theme continues as we head into the late morning and early afternoon. Showers readily becoming more organised and also more intensity in nature. As you can see, as we head into tomorrow afternoon and early evening, most of the energy, cape values and negative lift index is across eastern parts of England into Yorkshire, Lincolnshire and northeastern parts of England, and then associated precipitation is around that area as well. Not exclusively. I mean, these charts are they're fairly accurate, but it's like anything, if you've got the conditions out there, the right ingredients, showers can form anywhere, especially under a low pressure system, because it's already quite unstable anyhow. I'm just going to flip right through again, and you can see it expects the showers to start to die out as we head into the overnight period. A few still going for eastern parts of England, into Pennine areas and northeastern England, and as you can see there's a nice big blob there. I bet London would like that because they've had a pasting lately, haven't they? So, but over the next few days the theme's going to continue really. There's going to be low pressure in charge. There's going to be one low pressure replacing another over the next 4 to 5 days, and low pressure is basically going to be set close to centred or centred over the United Kingdom as we go over the course of the next 4 to 5 days. Basically, it's going to be wet. We've been waiting for a lot of rain, and we're starting to get a bit now. It's not going to solve the drought problem for southeastern areas in particular, but again, much needed rain. The areas tomorrow, if you want my honest opinion, as I said, it'll be early morning, North Wales, Bristol area, running into the West Mids, into Birmingham. There'll be another area of showers forming to the south and north as low pressure rotates, Energy's going to get fed northeastwards. I'd say early afternoon and into mid-afternoon time, where showers will become more organised across central parts, so Pennine areas, Lincolnshire, running into the East Midlands, and as we head around 4 o'clock, there's going to be plenty of showers knocking about, knocking on the door of East Yorkshire, North Lincolnshire, and northeastern parts of England, and that's the area that I think I'm going to be concentrating on tomorrow, and I may possibly be getting out doing a bit of storm chasing as well. I haven't been too well lately, so I definitely want to get out tomorrow if I can. If not tomorrow and things don't come off, and once again for some reason it just doesn't want to kick off, there's plenty more chances, because I don't know if some of you have seen the latest GFS model, the normal low res charts on NetWeather, but there's certainly a lot of energy out there over the next 4 to 5 days. In particular, tomorrow's looking good, Sunday's looking very good from many areas, as is Saturday, and Monday and then Tuesday next week look fantastic as well. Obviously a long way to go in terms of modelling, because I think it was only 2 days ago I was looking at the charts basically, and I think it was maybe the 12-0 was showing -2 lift index for about 600-700 cape, and then I think the 18-0 came when it was back down to a 0 lift index and 100, maybe 150k value. So it will change run to run, but like anything, we've got the low pressure, we've got instability, so anything can happen really on the day. It's just a case of what I'd say with this, when it's snowing or we're after the snow, it's just a case of keeping an eye on that radar, keeping an eye on your local conditions, etc. And if it fires, it'll fire. We're still only early into the season, not officially into the season really till May, but we're mid-April now, so plenty way to go. Let's hope it continues like this throughout the remainder of this year, because into summer, if we get the right setups, a plume, etc., we could be in for some lovely imports, and that is what I want to get out chasing this year for definite. I'm starting to go on again, aren't I? I do this in every video, but right. Before I go, if any of you guys are chasing tomorrow, I'd say the best areas for thunderstorm and organised activity, I'd say North Wales early morning from the word go, running into parts of West Midlands, Birmingham area, etc., and also maybe some areas just south of the Bristol Channel, running along into central southern England. As we head through the day, showers pretty much anywhere into the afternoon time. I'd say the best chances of catching a thunderstorm tomorrow, with the energy at its peak, would be this around the Pennine areas or central England, running into Lincolnshire and East Midlands, and then later on into the afternoon there could be some quite potent cells knocking about across Yorkshire, Lincolnshire and the northeast of England. So fingers crossed I can get out tomorrow, but if tomorrow don't come off, next day mate, if the day after that don't come off, next day mate. It's just a case of keeping an eye on and praying really. So I hope you all get your thunderstorms, and if you're chasing, stay safe. Cheers guys, bye now.